While marriage is generally considered a religious or social ceremony, divorce is only permissible through court intervention. In India, family courts are the legal forum for deciding divorce petitions. They can pass divorce decrees in three main ways: by mutual consent, by contested cases, or through an ex parte decree. Each of these paths has different implications for remarriage. This video examines the legal intricacies surrounding remarriage for divorcees under the Hindu Marriage Act, Divorce Act, and Special Marriage Act in India. In cases of divorce by mutual consent, the divorcee can remarry immediately as it is a consent decree. However, the situation becomes more complicated in contested and ex parte cases. For contested divorces, the freedom to remarry may be indefinitely prolonged if the opposite party files an appeal. The Hindu Marriage Act, Divorce Act, and Special Marriage Act all stipulate that parties must wait for remarriage until the disposal of any appeal. The appeal period varies from 30 to 90 days, depending on the specific act. However, these periods may not be strictly applied in practice due to the possibility of condonation of delay under Section 5 of the Limitation Act. Ex parte divorce decrees present even greater uncertainty. Unlike ordinary civil court decrees, a divorcee is not at liberty to remarry immediately after an ex parte divorce decree. The respondent may move to set aside the decree even after a considerable time, citing non-service of summons or lack of knowledge about the case. This can lead to unpleasant consequences if the divorcee has already remarried. In the case of Suhasini Devi versus Padmanabhan, an ex parte divorce decree was set aside after the husband had remarried and had a child in his second marriage. Also in the case of Prakash Chand Shana versus Vimlesh, where a divorce decree confirmed by the first appellate court was reversed by the High Court after the husband had remarried and had a child in his second marriage. These cases highlight the need for a solution that balances justice for both parties. One suggestion is to impose a reasonable restriction on the scope of condonation of delay for appeals against contested divorce decrees, possibly limiting it to 90 days beyond the normal appeal period, except in cases of fraud. Such a measure could provide more clarity and certainty for divorcees considering remarriage. In conclusion, while the law aims to protect the interests of both parties in a divorce, the current system can lead to prolonged uncertainty regarding remarriage. This issue requires the attention of lawmakers to develop more effective and just solutions, balancing the need for closure with the rights of both parties in a divorce case. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more legal insights.